Hello everyone, I'm Rayeiris and this is my investment journey on eToro. I chose eToro because of the ease of the platform, the easy way to trade, to open a position, to close, to copy someone. That's how I started. The copy trade program was incredible and I learned a lot from it. My investment strategy is based on modern value investing. I try to find fundamental quality companies and trading for below their intrinsic value. I think the hardest part of my investment journey has been not hear the comments about my portfolio, about how should I manage my own portfolio, and I think that has been the hardest. The key milestone has been for me going to the first eToro Summit. It was open eyes for me because I saw so many people achieving great things in the platform. So that for me was like the push to be better in this platform. The first valuable lesson I learned on this platform has been don't follow the herd. There is a lot of noise in the markets and we have to stay rational when others panic. You should copy me if you want a full-time investor focusing on studying the companies while you're relaxing. I'm doing the hard work.